We're in the middle of the woods, walking through the rain. It is beautiful. There's a white bench. There's a Clarissa. Hi. We're trying to find waterfalls. I didn't dress accordingly. But here we are, and it's so beautiful and green! So, we are here walking through the beauty, and I really like it. It's so beautiful! Oh, you're so sweet. Whoa. Okay. This is interesting. Danger! I don't know how we did it, but we found the train track that the waterfall is supposed to be by. The rain cleared up a bit. We were all still soaking, but we found it. Wait, hold on. Do you hear that?
There's a train!
I've never been this close to a moving train before in my entire life. We're walking alongside a train. Should we hop on it? We can touch it. Woo, that's scary.
Dude, I heard it and I was like, shit!
Right?
Oh man, for some reason I felt the need to hide in the bushes. So I'm like,
That's what I did too.
I'm like, no.
Oh shit, it's stopping. What does that mean?
That's a bad sign. That means they're gonna call the cops on us. We don't want to be here.
I hope not. I don't want to go to jail. Not today.
Everything happened. We saw them and got scared and fell down the cliff. Well, I was like, boo, train, and that's the last thing that I saw of you. The last time. We saw the guy in the yellow vest and we were like, oh fuck. Yeah. We ran down the hill, slid down the cliff, went to the waterfall, took some pictures, and then he found us and was like, what are you guys doing? You guys aren't in trouble.
He's like, are you guys okay? And we're like,
he invited us. He told us that he saw you guys. He's like, you guys have two friends that ran up the hill. Hopefully you guys can find them. And then he invited us in the train and we smoked cigarettes together. He gave us a vest to scare you guys.